All right, so right now we are inside of the DashNex pages dashboard. This is where you can create any kind of HTML-based website very, very quickly. So let me run through a quick demo here to show you really what you can do. And I will show you also a couple of websites that we have for our own business here at DashNex. So when you will log in, this is where you will see basically all the websites. And obviously in the beginning, you will not have any websites whatsoever, but you'll be able to click this button, add a website, and simply choose a subdomain name and title and description and launch a website. Now, once you launch a website, you will have ability to go to the settings page. And on the settings page, this is where you can provide all the basic stuff, so you don't have to repeat that on every single page. For example, you can add a logo, you can add an open graph image, favicon, you can add all the scripts like Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, whatever scripts you are using. Then if you are using templates, you can upload the source files to our source hosting so that you have them right there on your domain. We also have a legal page generator built in so that you don't have to create them on your own. You can just click the button and generate them. You can also generate about and contact page, so you don't have to think about those things. And then finally, if you want to, you can obviously add a custom domain. We have the instructions how to configure that. It's very, very simple. And it also comes with the free SSL automatically so that your website is secure and really is trustable from the day one. And once you have provided these settings, you can go to pages here and literally start to add any kind of page. And typically you will have one of the 4 page types. So you can use a lead generation page if you want to use our built-in templates. So if you go here, you can see that we have a bunch of different lead generation templates. And these are really proven squeeze pages that you can use to build your email list quickly. And there is, for example, things like dynamic thank you page where you can deliver digital content, like you can upload your digital file here and download it automatically from the thank you page. There are all kinds of different timers built in to increase the scarcity and things like that. And so there's a lot of features right away built in, so you don't have to think about them and you don't have to add some plugins or applications or things like that. Then we also have the sweepstakes page, and currently we have 2 templates there, but they are both proven to work on Facebook. And again, you can just choose the template and configure the template by going through this wizard and literally have it done within minutes. And then you can run a sweepstakes campaign, which obviously is very powerful when building an email list, right? Now, the other 2 types of pages are the redirect page. And redirect page is simply where you can, redirect links. Like, for example, if you have some affiliate links that you want to use, or for example, you have a link that you want to send to your email list, but you want to make sure that you don't enter the affiliate link, because then it will be considered as a spammy link. And so you can cloak that link with our redirect page and really create a nice link through your own domain. And typically this is a problem for majority of website builders, that they don't have this feature built in. And since we are using DashNex pages for all our own websites, then this is important to us. And then finally, blank page, and this is the power of DashNex pages, because blank page provides you ability to copy and paste any kind of code from any template, and you can just host absolutely anything on the website. And this is a beauty because there are tens of thousands of different templates available today, where you literally either you can download them for free or you can purchase them for a one-time small fee and then build a website and host it without ever touching it again, or just updating some simple things. For example, here is one of the templates that we give away. This is the portfolio template. This is designed for freelancers and people who are trying to sell their skills. So again, you would just replace these things in the brackets with your own text. You would add your own name there, and that's it. You provide your skills, provide the text, and you have the website ready, and you never need to touch it again. So why would you pay a recurring fee or something like that for the website like this? And here we have instructions how to find a perfect template for you. And we host everything. Like this website, DashNexPages.com, is built on a DashNex Pages platform. InstantEcomStore.com, you see with this multi-level sort of navigation, is also hosted on DashNex Pages platform. Agency websites, webinar registration pages, bunch of different stuff. And actually the page that you are on right now is also hosted on a DashNex Pages platform. So that's a quick overview of the DashNex Pages. Obviously, you can go inside. We have the easy opt-in options. We have integrations with the autoresponders for the sweepstake campaigns and things like that. We also have a referral program inside. So there is a lot of things that you can do with DashNex Pages platform. Now, the second part of the DashNex PowerTech package is obviously the Instant Ecom Store platform. And this is a real powerhouse because it's built based on all the marketing requirements in order to sell products and really convert people from Facebook to sales. And so here, obviously this is a demo account. So I'm going to quickly run through this because this is a large platform. There's a lot of features in there, but just want to show you a couple of things, right? So first of all, you can integrate autoresponders, merchants, tracking, product fulfillment, shipping, and other things are right here, right? And then you can build a store. And again, the principle of building the store is the same. You just click the button, you provide the store name. Let me do a quick demo here. So this is going to be a DashNex PowerTech demo. Let's call it that way. Let's select the time zone. And the time zone is important because you want to link it with your for example PayPal account, right? So that your data is synced together, right? Next, you can provide a physical address. Let me just type in this. And then on the final step, you basically select a merchant that you integrated before, and you can select two merchants. For example, if you have a Stripe account and PayPal account, you can integrate both. And then you just click Launch a Store, right? And you'll see that your store is ready. So now this is your individual store dashboard. And inside of here, I will just run quickly through some stuff. So here under the main store settings, this is where you do kind of the main store configurations. You can add a custom domain. You can, provide some SEO details, social links, custom scripts, badges, enable for the checkout, for example, right? Do integrations for the checkout, for example. Once people type in the name inside of the checkout, we capture them and add them to your autoresponder automatically. Currency conversions, you can enable it and show all the settings. So those are general settings. And typically on platforms like Shopify, you would need to buy additional applications or download additional applications, right? And every single application would come with additional upgrade because those guys also want to make money. So they will try to sell you something else. And so we have built everything in so you don't have to buy anything, right? We have for example, the Marketing Hub. Marketing Hub is where you create abandonment campaigns, cart abandonment campaigns, where you create upsells, where you can create conversion stuff, right? So things like that. And there is a lot of things inside here. And then when it comes to the products, you can obviously import products from AliExpress. We have a Chrome extension that will allow you to do that. But you also can add, a product just like that, just copy and pasting. And there are so many variables and so many features right here that allows you to really customize your product page so that you can basically maximize conversions, because at the end of the day, that's what this is all about, right? And So, you can, add any kind of product. You can create private product pages, for example. So when you build an email list and you want to, create a special offer just for folks on your email list, and you don't want to display that on the homepage of your store, then obviously, you can create private pages and things like that. You get the product feeds, which you can integrate then with Facebook, so that you can create dynamic ads. And there are lots of different features. But what's cool about this, that you don't have to download any new application. You don't have to, buy some plugins and things like that. You can just literally add products, start to run traffic to it, make money, and grow your business like that. And the store is very simple on a desktop. There is no themes, no some kind of weird stuff. Obviously, you can customize the color, you can add the logo and things like that. But it's generally simple because 95% of traffic will come from mobile phones. And on mobile, we have what we call a dedicated mobile store, which allows you to basically customize stuff specifically for mobile phone, right? So that people, when they come from your mobile phone, they see a beautiful page. It's easy, it's intuitive for them, and things like that. And we have about 2,000 users on Instant Ecom Store right now that are using and building stores and selling products every single day. And all the, emails, updates, notifications, everything is automatic. There's nothing for you to buy or add to this. The version that you are getting with the DashNex PowerTech bundle is, the top version. So everything is literally included, and you can start to add products on the store and start to sell in minutes from now.